Beware, UAP does not equal UFO. Oh, everybody who is curious about UFOs probably wonders why the media suddenly renamed them into UAPs. UAP is abbreviation for Unexplained Aerial Phenomena, just before the first Congress hearing on UFOs. Now such hearings are about UAPs only. Although for the public, it seems to be no difference. For those who run the show, the difference is in what can be publicized. What is this about? In Not UFOs at Minnesota 1979 and Moscow 1980, Chapter 12 of Time Matters, I analyze the physics of two events that are not related to any flying object, but bubble of slow time. Such bubbles are not noticeable, unless something is trapped inside them. For example, ball lightning is the most common observation of such phenomenon. When lightning is trapped in such a bubble, areas of slow time are abundant in universe. For example, because of them stars in our Milky Way and any spiral galaxy move like fish school, often changing directions and velocities. Literally, UAP refers to such bubbles of slow time, though air has nothing to do with it, and there is no craft/vehicle inside those UAPs that are allowed to be publicized in the Congress. Another story is about a craft that flies by creating a bubble of slow time around them. Basically, such a craft replicates a natural phenomenon, well described by Bob Lazar in Physics of his Frozen Candle story about the most simple and unbelievable effect that Bob described. I explained it with time dilation refraction effect by Snell's law. In Beyond Cutting Edge with Bob Lazar, I explained half a dozen of his anecdotes just by time dilation effects. One more such story, which was the most complicated to explain, when flying saucers meet matter and collide with objects, is yet to be included in my book. Literally, UFO, unidentified flying objects, are about such crafts, and, as 30+ years since Bob Lazar and George Knapp showed us, it is not meant for public secrecy around UFO. Reminds me of the history of two inventions. One of them, nuclear bomb. The atomic research around radioactivity was public until 1932 British discovery of neutron that overcame Coulomb barrier. After that, a top-secret treaty between UK and US was signed about nuclear bomb development. Another interesting invention, microwave generators, was shared by UK with US within air defense program. Even for US scientists back then, it was a magical alien device until secrecy was unveiled and it became just a microwave oven. Bob Lazar stated that the crafts were dug out in an archaeological discovery but not captured from some aliens. Maybe this technology was used in Egyptian pyramid construction, due to its properties of countering gravity and evaporating/cutting through any material.